Indonesia, the world's biggest island country, holds priceless treasures beneath its blue seas. Stretching from Sabang to Merauke, Indonesia has a rich and diverse marine ecosystem. Indonesia's underwater beauty is like a hidden paradise, with colorful coral reefs, fish swimming freely, and other amazing marine life. This ecosystem is not only pleasing to the eye, but also plays an important role in human life and the balance of nature. Indonesia's underwater riches make it part of the Coral Triangle, an area with the highest marine biodiversity in the world. Here, coral reefs are home to thousands of species of fish, mollusks, and various invertebrates. The lush mangrove forests along the coast provide shelter for various types of birds, fish, and crabs. Meanwhile, the green seagrass beds provide food and breeding grounds for dugongs and sea turtles. Sadly, the beauty and richness of Indonesia's marine ecosystem now face serious threats. Marine pollution from plastic waste, industrial waste, and other human activities has damaged coral reefs and threatened marine life. Overfishing and the use of destructive fishing gear have also led to a decline in fish populations and other marine life. Global climate change, with rising sea temperatures and ocean acidification, also has a negative impact on the marine ecosystem, including coral bleaching and damage to marine habitats. We all have a responsibility to protect and preserve this precious Indonesian marine ecosystem. Small steps we take can have a big impact on the health of the ocean. Let's keep the ocean clean by not littering and by supporting marine conservation programs. That way, future generations can continue to enjoy the beauty and richness of Indonesia's seas. Indonesia is part of the Coral Triangle, an area known for having the highest marine biodiversity in the world. Here, we can find more than 75% of the world's coral reef species, 3,000 types of fish, and various other marine life. Indonesia's coral reefs cover 51,020 square kilometers, making it the country with the largest coral reef area in the world. Coral reefs are home to a variety of creatures, from small colorful fish to large sharks and rays. Clownfish living symbiotically with sea anemones, parrotfish that eat algae, and manta rays swimming gracefully are just a small part of the amazing life on the coral reef. In addition, there are also various types of mollusks such as clams, snails, and squid, as well as invertebrates like starfish, sea urchins, and sea cucumbers. Mangrove forests that grow along the coast are also an important part of Indonesia's marine ecosystem. These forests are a shelter and breeding ground for various types of fish, shrimp, and crabs. The strong mangrove roots also function as a barrier against coastal erosion and protect the land from ocean waves. In addition, mangrove forests also play an important role in absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. Seagrass beds, which are flowering plants that live on the seabed, also play an important role in Indonesia's marine ecosystem. Seagrass beds provide food and shelter for dugongs, sea turtles, and various types of fish. In addition, seagrass beds also act as a filter for seawater and protect coral reefs from sedimentation. The biodiversity in Indonesia's marine ecosystem is a valuable asset that we need to protect and preserve. The Indonesian marine ecosystem is a clear example of a complex and interdependent web of life. Various living things from microscopic to gigantic live side by side and interact with each other. The relationships between these creatures, known as symbiosis, play an important role in maintaining the balance of the marine ecosystem. One example of symbiosis that is easy to find in the sea is the relationship between clownfish and sea anemones. Clownfish live among the poisonous tentacles of sea anemones. A special mucus on the clownfish's body protects it from the anemone's sting. In return, the clownfish cleans the anemone of parasites and provides it with food. This mutually beneficial relationship allows clownfish and sea anemones to live side by side. Another example is the relationship between cleaner fish and larger fish. Cleaner fish, such as goby fish and wrasse, eat parasites and dead skin tissue attached to the bodies of larger fish. Larger fish, such as sharks and manta rays, get a free cleaning service, while cleaner fish get food. This relationship shows how marine life depends on each other for survival. The balance of the marine ecosystem is very important for the survival of all creatures in it. If one component of the ecosystem is disturbed, it will affect the entire ecosystem. Therefore, it is important for us to maintain the balance of the marine ecosystem by keeping the sea clean, avoiding overfishing, and protecting marine habitats. The Indonesian marine ecosystem plays a very important role in human life, both directly and indirectly. The sea provides a food source for millions of Indonesians, especially those living in coastal areas. Fish, shrimp, crabs, and various other marine life are important sources of animal protein for the Indonesian people. Besides being a food source, the sea also has great economic potential for Indonesia. Marine tourism, the fishing industry, and marine biotechnology are economic sectors that can generate foreign exchange for the country and improve people's welfare. The beauty of Indonesia's underwater world, with its amazing coral reefs and diverse marine life, attracts tourists from all over the world to come and enjoy its beauty. This marine tourism sector provides business opportunities and jobs for local communities. However, the harmonious relationship between humans and the sea is now threatened by irresponsible human activities. Marine pollution from plastic waste, industrial waste, and other human activities has damaged the marine ecosystem and threatened marine life. Overfishing and the use of destructive fishing gear have also resulted in a decline in the population of fish and other marine life.